Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Austin Fish-Farner over here at SCI Distribution, and we've been getting quite a few questions about the RZR Factory Pro R. Another key component on the factory race vehicle is the full MoTeC system that's integrated in the car. It uses a MoTeC M130 ECU along with a C127 dash display. What this does is it brings you live information from all over the car. It has sensors that will tell you if anything gets out of normal range, and it has early warning lights and alarms that'll come on into dash. It'll light up, it'll tell you exactly what's wrong and exactly what's out of range. By doing that, you can keep your mind focused on the race and not have to worry about what's going on the car. A key component of the MoTeC system is the ability to be able to have a speed limiter on the car. This comes into play when you're doing races and you come to a speed section. Some races have a very long speed section on the highway where you'll be at 37 or 60 miles an hour for a while. With the MoTeC system, you're able to just turn it on, select a set speed, take your foot off the gas, and the car will automatically keep you right at the speed. That way you're not losing any time during the race trying to hold the car right there, or it will also help you avoid speeding penalties by going over the speed. One of the other parts that you can do is you can actually configure it to fit the tire size of your vehicle as well. It comes configured for the 35s stock, but if you do run a different tire size, you can reconfigure the speed limiter so it'll work with your vehicle.